Welcome to BrimeTech, specialized in explaining modern cars features from AutoBrime. In this video, we'll show you how to activate the auto parking assist properly in Skoda Octavia cars that support such feature. Before we continue, we urge you to support us by subscribing to our channel, activate the bell and hit the like button. The auto parking assist system have been engineered and programmed to help the driver park his car in tight parking positions by auto steering, as the driver is responsible to locate the parking spot and follow the correct methodology to avoid any problems. First, locate the intended parking spot and should be between two cars, for example, that are both parked horizontally or vertically. Activate the system by pressing the button, then you must drive slowly in order for the auto parking sensors to calculate the needed space that fits the car's dimensions precisely. Choose where you want to park, left or right, using the signal indicators. After passing the parking spot, a suitable parking position graph appears on driver's screen. Stop and put the gear on reverse, then the car will steer itself to the parking spot. You've just to use the brakes to drive slowly. When the car reaches the farthest point it can reverse to, put the gear into drive and it will adjust itself in the parking area. Thanks indeed for watching.